Welcome to Futex. The future of space travel is looking brighter than ever, thanks in part to the revolutionary technology of 3D printing. With faster manufacturing times and more intricate designs possible, 3D printed rockets are shaking up the aerospace industry like never before. In this video, we'll explore how this tech giant and others are using 3D printing to revolutionize rocket design and production for a brighter future in space exploration. Additive manufacturing has revolutionized rocket production and opened up new possibilities for space exploration. The use of 3D printing technology has revolutionized the manufacturing process for rockets. Traditional manufacturing methods involve cutting, shaping, and welding metals to create rocket components. This process is time-consuming and labor-intensive, with a higher chance of errors. The benefits of lightweight 3D printed rocket components extend beyond just low Earth orbit missions. They could also have implications for deep space exploration and colonization efforts. As NASA continues planning future Mars missions, every pound counts when it comes to launching equipment and supplies across millions of miles. The use of additive manufacturing techniques has allowed for significant advancements in rocket design and production. By creating lighter weight components that improve fuel efficiency and reduce costs, space agencies like NASA and private companies such as Relativity Space are accelerating progress toward human exploration beyond our planet's atmosphere. For example, if humans were to colonize Mars, they would need to build habitats that are capable of sustaining human life. With traditional manufacturing methods, this would require transporting large amounts of building materials from Earth at great expense. However, with 3D printing technology, the necessary components could be built on-site using local resources such as Martian soil. Number 1. SpaceX. SpaceX is a company that needs no introduction. One of the most renowned private space companies, SpaceX has made significant advancements in rocket technology and space exploration. One area where they have been leading the way is in 3D printing technology. By using this innovative manufacturing process, they have created some of the most complex and intricate parts for their rockets. In 2020, SpaceX announced yet another milestone in their use of 3D printing. They had successfully printed a titanium alloy combustion chamber for their Super Draco engines, which are used on their Crew Dragon spacecraft's emergency escape system. This was a significant achievement because it demonstrated that even critical components like engine chambers could be reliably produced using additive manufacturing techniques. The benefits of 3D printing were evident here too, as traditional methods would not allow such complexity to be achieved with ease. This translated into cost savings along with faster production times while maintaining safety standards at all times. SpaceX continues to push boundaries and set new benchmarks by leveraging cutting-edge technologies like 3D printing to create more efficient systems and explore new frontiers in space travel. Number 2. Relativity Space. Relativity Space has been making waves in the aerospace industry with its innovative approach to rocket manufacturing. The company's use of large-scale 3D printers to produce entire rockets is a breakthrough that could revolutionize the industry. The Terran R, Relativity Space's new rocket, is designed to be capable of carrying payloads of up to 20,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit. This impressive payload capacity makes it an attractive option for companies looking to launch heavy satellites into space. What sets Relativity Space apart from traditional aerospace companies is their focus on efficiency and cost savings. By using 3D printing technology, they are able to reduce production time and costs significantly compared to traditional methods. While the Terran R is still under development and not set for launch until 2024, it has already generated significant excitement within the industry. Many are eager to see how this new rocket will perform and what other innovations Relativity Space will bring in the future. With its unique approach and commitment to innovation, Relativity Space is proving itself as a major player in the commercial space race. It will be interesting to see how this startup continues pushing boundaries in years to come. Number 3. Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is a private aerospace company that has been making waves in the industry since its inception in 2006. Based out of New Zealand, Rocket Lab has successfully launched several missions over the past few years and continues to push boundaries with innovative technology. In August 2021, Rocket Lab accomplished a major milestone by launching its 100th rocket mission. The launch was particularly special as it deployed a satellite into orbit for the United States Space Force, showcasing the company's strong partnership with government agencies. Rocket Lab's success can be attributed to their focus on simplifying space access through small rockets capable of carrying smaller payloads at lower costs. Their Electron rocket stands at just 17 meters tall but is capable of delivering up to 300 kilograms of payload into low Earth orbit. The company has also set their sights on Mars exploration, recently announcing plans for a new spacecraft dubbed Photon that will support interplanetary missions. They have also partnered with NASA for lunar exploration efforts through their Moonshot program. Rocket Lab serves as a prime example of how innovation and determination can lead to great advancements in space exploration and commercialization. Number 4. Blue Origin. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos in 2000, is a private spaceflight company that focuses on developing reusable rockets. One of their most notable creations is the New Glenn rocket, which incorporates 3D printing technology into its design. New Glenn's first stage consists of 7 BE-4 rocket engines, which are designed to be reusable up to 100 times. These engines are made using a combination of traditional manufacturing techniques and 3D printing technology. In addition to the BE-4 engine, Blue Origin also uses other components that have been manufactured using additive manufacturing techniques. For example, they have used titanium aluminum vanadium, T-ALV, alloy fuel tank domes for their BE-3U upper stage engine. Blue Origin has ambitious plans for New Glenn. It is intended to carry payloads weighing up to 45 metric tons into low Earth orbit or up to 13 metric tons into geostationary transfer orbit. The rocket will play a significant role in supporting scientific research and human exploration beyond Earth's atmosphere. Blue Origin's use of 3D printing technology within its rockets highlights how this technique can revolutionize aerospace engineering while making space travel more accessible and affordable. As the field continues evolving and advancing rapidly, we can expect even greater innovations from companies like Blue Origin that embrace new technologies like additive manufacturing. Number 5. Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin, one of the largest aerospace and defense companies in America, has been heavily involved in many projects related to space exploration. One of its latest developments is the lunar lander called the Human Landing System, HLS, which is being developed for NASA's Artemis program. The goal of the Artemis program is to return humans to the moon by 2024, and Lockheed Martin's HLS design was chosen as one of 3 lander designs being considered. The company aims to develop a reusable system capable of landing astronauts on the lunar surface safely. In collaboration with several other companies such as Blue Origin and Draper Labs, Lockheed Martin will be designing both descent and ascent stages that can work together seamlessly. They are targeting a payload delivery capacity ranging from 12 to 15 metric tons. Moreover, they have designed an approach leveraging their experience with Orion spacecraft development for human deep space missions to ensure astronaut safety in all aspects like thermal protection systems combined with autonomous guidance systems. Lockheed Martin has already built a prototype HLS vehicle at its Michoud assembly facility located at New Orleans along with testing facilities that simulate mission conditions on Earth. The company hopes this will enable them to test various scenarios before finalizing their design. Lockheed Martin continues making significant contributions towards achieving NASA's ambitious goals for space exploration through partnerships while also boosting innovation within aerospace engineering domains. Number 5. Orbex. Orbex is one of the British spaceflight companies that are making waves in the commercial space industry. The company's focus on developing launch vehicles for small satellites has caught the attention of many investors and enthusiasts alike. One of Orbex's most exciting developments is its new rocket stage manufacturing process, which utilizes a proprietary carbon fiber and aluminum composite material. According to the company, this new material offers numerous advantages over traditional rocket materials, including lower weight and greater strength. This development comes as Orbex continues construction on its launch site at Voyne Peninsula in Sutherland, Scotland. This location will serve as a critical hub for launching small satellites into orbit. It is clear that Orbex is making significant strides in advancing technology within the aerospace industry. With their innovative approach to rocket design and manufacturing processes, they are poised for even greater success in the years ahead. Number 6. The Chinese aerospace industry. The Chinese aerospace industry has been making strides in the development of 3D printed rocket engines. In 2018, the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC, successfully tested their TQ-12 engine, which is entirely made using additive manufacturing techniques. The TQ-12 engine can produce a thrust of up to 120 kilonewtons, making it a powerful addition to any rocket design. The use of 3D printing technology allows for intricate designs that would be impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. This advancement in rocket engine technology could have significant implications for space exploration and travel, as it potentially reduces costs associated with manufacturing while increasing efficiency. As more companies continue to adopt 3D printing technology in their rocket production processes, we may see even greater advancements in both commercial and government-led space programs. It will be exciting to see what other breakthroughs will come out of China's aerospace industry in the future. As more companies adopt this technology, we can expect to see continued advancements that enable faster production times, reduced costs, and improved performance. While still relatively new to the scene compared to some other players like SpaceX or Blue Origin, space transportation's contributions will undoubtedly pave the way towards a brighter future for space travel and exploration. The advancements in 3D printing technology have revolutionized the aerospace industry, allowing for faster and more efficient production of rockets and their components. As this technology continues to mature, it is likely that we will see an increase in its use by more companies within the industry. Moreover, as the demand for space exploration grows, so too does the need for reliable and efficient rocket production processes. By utilizing 3D printing technology, companies can create lighter and stronger rockets that consume less fuel while still being highly functional. There is potential for large-scale development projects such as colonizing Mars or establishing a permanent presence on other planets or moons. It's clear that the future holds limitless possibilities when it comes to advancements in rocket technology through additive manufacturing techniques like 3D printing. Thanks for watching.